The life of a sailor wasn't easy. Going to sea then was chancier than going into outer space today. Perhaps because their fate was so uncertain, their life at sea was riddled with superstition and ritual. Some seem a little strange today. While most no longer apply, some still linger in sailors' minds. Changing the name of a boat. It is bad luck to change the name of the boat. If you do, you must have a denaming ceremony and officially christen the boat again. Tattoos. When tattooing became popular at sea, a rooster and a pig were often tattooed onto sailors' feet. It was believed these animals would prevent the sailors from drowning by showing them the way to shore. Blood. It is unlucky to set off at the start of the fishing season without having first shed some blood in a fight or in an accident. Fishing nets. When setting fishing nets, it is good luck to use an odd number. Call. Having the call of a newborn child on board a ship was meant to prevent anyone from drowning. This meant that calls were often purchased by sailors before a voyage. A caul is a harmless membrane that covers the face and head of a newborn baby. It is very rare. Hat overboard. Losing a hat overboard was an omen that the trip would be a long one. Eggshells. Eggshells had to be broken into tiny pieces once an egg was cracked open. This was meant to stop witches coming to the ship to sail in the pieces of shell. Personal grooming. Anyone aboard who trimmed their nails, cut their hair, or shaved their beard brought bad luck to the ship. Feet. Flat-footed people were unlucky on board a ship and were also avoided by sailors before they boarded. Women. Women were bad luck on board because they distracted the crew, which would anger the sea, causing treacherous conditions as revenge. However, conveniently for the male crew, naked women calmed the sea, which is why so many figureheads were women with bare breasts. Non-sailing days. It was bad luck to sail on Thursdays, God of Storms, Thor's Day, or Fridays, the day Jesus was executed, the first Monday in April, the day Cain killed Abel, the second Monday in August, the day Sodom and Gomorrah were destroyed, and December 31st, the day on which Judas Iscariot hanged himself. Watch your mouth. Some words and sayings brought about bad luck on board, including drowned, goodbye, and good luck. Things to do with the land were believed to be bad luck if mentioned, such as the church, pigs, foxes, cats, and rabbits. No whistling. Whistling or singing into the wind was forbidden as it would whistle up a storm. No farewell. It was bad luck for seafaring men's wives to call out to them, or wave goodbye once they stepped out the door to leave for a voyage. Stirring tea. Stirring tea with a knife or fork would invite bad luck. Turning a loaf of bread upside down. Turning a loaf of bread upside down once it had been cut brings bad luck too. These two seem to be superstitions that existed on land as well as at sea. Redheads. Like flat-footed people, redheads were believed to bring bad luck to a ship. If you met one before boarding, the only way to mitigate the bad luck was to speak to them before they could speak to you. Salt. It was bad luck for one crewman to pass the salt pot to another directly. Presumably one could put it down and the other could pick it up. Fishing. In order to encourage fish to be caught, Scottish fishermen would begin their fishing session by throwing one of the crew members overboard and then hauling him back on. Bananas. No bananas on board. They were believed to be so unlucky they would cause the ship to be lost. Whole cargoes of bananas were especially frightening for sailors.